Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly. I am here to show you a quick run through of all my fall decor. Yes, it's official, family. Uneatly is ready for fall, and I am gearing up to give you a slew of fall DIYs and videos. So pretty much this particular container was in my garage, so I had to give it a very good wipe down. And we're going to begin looking through all of my fall decor. We have pumpkins. I love this pumpkin. It was purchased from Target. I also have this beautiful floral arrangement, sunflowers. Majority of my fall decor, 90% of it is DIYs. I have this beautiful gourd, also from Target. And I'm just so happy and so geared up about fall, everyone. I just recently did my first fall challenge, and that video has set my mind in the right mood. I am so ready for this cool weather. It's been so hot in my area, and I'm so excited about giving you some excellent fall DIYs and videos. As you can see, everyone, I have a lot of pumpkins. I know a lot of you are saying she has a slew of pumpkins, but I love pumpkins. Every year they come out with different colors, different type of pumpkins, and they're never really the same. So even though I have so many, I love just going to the stores, looking through and seeing the different varieties and styles that they come out every year. A lot of the decor that you are seeing was inside of my kitchen. Some of the items was at my coffee bar. And I am so happy that I'm able to pull them back out again this year and share it all with my family. I was so into red trucks, you all, last year. I love red trucks. I had a lot of different red truck decor. I am unsure if I'm going to continue with the red truck theme. I may or may not. I have not yet to make up my mind and decide exactly what I'm going to do, but I love those little red trucks. Now this floral arrangement here is one of my old DIYs. This floral arrangement have held up so good throughout the years. It's about 2 years old, maybe 3, but I love the colors and I normally use those florals in my living room. Now we are into my ceramic fall decor. I had it wrapped up inside of one of my old Christmas rugs, but I love these pumpkins that I was able to find from Dollar Tree last year. I love the fact that they have gold stems. They come in white, they come in green, and I also think I have an orange one. Yep, I do. I have an orange one, and those are normally in my living room also. All right, family, that is all for today. I'm so thrilled about all the items that I have and that I'm going to be sharing with all of you pretty soon. So stay tuned for those fall videos, those fall DIYs. Thank you so much for watching.